Yo, what's good? Pat, Jack. Hey, what's good with y'all boys, man? Look, I'm gonna switch it up real quick. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to just do a little something a little different. This is more like a little test, so you know what I'm saying? So y'all boys, let me know. Is this quality good enough for like, I guess like vlogs and IRL basketball and I don't know, Q&As and mukbangs? Is this quality good enough? Look, I'm getting better lighting. Tell me if it got better when I got in better light. You know what I'm saying? So this is the only camera I got right now, and I'm trying to bring a little bit of different content, you know what I'm saying? So, y'all just let me know. I'm gonna go do something, show y'all a little something, I don't know. I'm gonna just go ride around. I need to, hold on. I'll be back. Like my headlight went out on my charger, so today, I think I'm gonna be changing my light bulb, man. I'm gonna try and do it myself, but if it don't work, you know what I'm saying, I'm just gonna have to, I got my bulb right here. I'm gonna have to just go to AutoZone and hopefully they'll change it. And I also need to wash my car and also need to vacuum it. So, I think that's what I'm gonna do today, y'all. Y'all stay tuned with the... That's how you do it, yo. They be all animated like... I gotta get my mannerisms right, my YouTube overhyping nonsense type of thing. So I'm about to throw on some, you know what I'm saying? About to throw on some little bit of, you know, my Adidas track pants. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead, throw these bad babies on. Go ahead, make sure I'm safe out here in these streets. Throw my shoes on. I need a jacket because it is definitely cold out this mother. Where's my jacket? Know about the quality, how bad or how good, man. Yeah, and we just about to head on outside real quick, like. Hopefully it ain't too cold out this mamma jamma. I ain't gonna lock the door yet, but look, I'm about to go out here in the sunlight. Let me know if it get better in the sunlight. You know what I'm saying? Gotta watch my step. Cause dogs, you know what I'm saying, they be out here going crazy in the grass. Oh, I thought that was something. But yeah, this my baby right here, man. She need to be washed for sure. I need to armor all these tires. I'll probably show y'all another version after I'm done. Cover up the license plate. You know what I'm saying? Alright. I mean, but yeah, it's something slight, nothing too crazy. I need to do a couple more additions to it. It looks better at night though. I got like underglow lights and stuff like that. But that's a story for another day. You know what I'm saying? I need to clean her out too. She alright. Don't get me wrong, she alright. I could do, but she definitely need a good vacuuming. But you got the red interior, you know what I'm saying? Got the Dodge, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna show y'all the back seat because the back seat is low key a mess. But she's straight. My travel toothbrush. Oh yeah. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Blaze for the big 1 year member. Yo, I got a lollipop. I'm about to bust that down a little bit. What else we got? I mean, I'll go ahead and crank her up for you, see if you can hear anything. If you can't, she sounds strong, don't she? Got my dash cam right here. You know what I'm saying? Oh, copyright. You got my dash cam right there, you know what I'm saying? So any ops trying to pull up or the cops stop me, you know what I'm saying? They gonna have to catch one. They gonna catch a mean countersuit. But yeah. But really I just need to, let me show y'all my headlight though. Hold on. Let me show y'all my headlight. Show y'all what's wrong with my shit. I don't know if y'all can even tell. Y'all should be able to tell though. I got the white light in this one, and I got the yellow light in this one. It went out, so I just had another little bulb laying around. You probably can't see it because of the sun, but you see how that's yellow, and y'all see how that's white. I'm about to go switch that. I got the right piece now. But yeah, this is my baby, man. Oh, shout out to the rain, because a bird had definitely took a dump on my car right here, and it washed that off. Shout out to the rain. It is good for something. But you know what, let's just go ahead and pop this hood, man. Go ahead and try this out. So really I need to go right here, somewhere up in here. Oh, I can see better with this zone. Hold on. I need to get up in here. Right here. So if I could just figure out how to... Hold on. Damn it. Alright. That ain't a job for me. I could change water pumps and stuff like that, but that's in too tight of a spot, man. So I'ma just let AutoZone handle it, because you know what I'm saying, that ain't for me. So I'ma take a break right here, and I'm gonna go get it changed, show y'all the finished result. And you know what I'm saying, we're gonna keep it just like that. So yeah, catch y'all boys in. Alright, we back, y'all. So long story short, I went to AutoZone and they told me go to YouTube. So you know what I'm gonna do? The YouTube. So I went to YouTube, and they pretty much told me turn it counterclockwise. You know what I'm saying? So turn it counterclockwise, and then it's 2 clamps to take off, and then it's 2 to put on. So if gears can't do that, gears don't need a car. How about that? Where my light bulb at? We about to make this happen, y'all. No kizzy. Let's see what we got here. Okay, lift the hood up. Okay, let's see if y'all can see where I'm at here. Alright, so this is my high beams right here. My high beam is good. It's my low beam right here. So I'm gonna see if I can fit y'all up somewhere in here. Alright, that should be good right there. Alright, so now it say give it a counterclockwise turn. So counter lefty loosey, righty tighty. So I need to turn it to the left from my angle. Okay. So tip 1, use your thumb to get the first bit of turn. Okay, I got this bad baby out. See, something slight, nothing too crazy. Hopefully y'all can see this pretty good. If not, I just know my camera trash. So it's an H11. Oh, my clip is broke. Aha, that's what he was talking about. Okay, that's unclipped. This the old bulb, y'all. It works. This is, but it's just yellow. So I'm about to slap this one in. Hopefully I don't break it. Oh, I dropped it. Damn, I might have broke it, y'all. Alright, we just gonna slap this in. Okay, it went in that way. Alright. So now I gotta put it in there like so. Alright, I got it in there, yo. Whew, I got it in there. So, I was doing it wrong, but, you know what I'm saying? I finally got it. Your boy Gibbs got the light bulb in. Now, let's check it out. Did I F it up, or did I get it right? That is the question. So, let's check this out. Whew, I almost hurt my back, boy. Bright white. Oh, it's still yellow. No. Well, epic fails with gears, man. You win some, you lose some, but you live. You live to fight another day, man. So, part 2 coming soon. Your boy pulled a dummy move, and it looked like I bought the same bulb. God dang. But that's enough for vlog number 1. Y'all let me know the quality. Y'all let me know if y'all enjoyed it. If y'all didn't, but drop a like, drop a sub if you new. And you know, it's back, and we out, man. Alright, the last and final thing I want to say to wrap up this video, man. This is still a yellow light. Don't be fooled. It says brightest down road, whiter light. But do not be fooled. This is still a yellow light, man. I thought this was going to be the white lights that my charger has. So, this is still halogen. If you have the white lights, do not go with a halogen bulb. You're going to need a LED. And it's simple as that, bro. So, hope this video helped. If it didn't, that's okay. But if y'all got the point, shout out to all my chargers. Shout out to Mopar. Shout out to the Dodge gang. We go.